Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. You may need to slightly jack up the frame to relieve tension on the body mount bolt and bushing. Remove the body mount bolt and bushing. Step 3. Cut off the factory rear body mount followed by grinding down the frame free of rust and debris. Then, paint the part and work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Line up the mount with the bolt and bushing with your body before welding the part on. Tack weld the rear body mount onto the frame before welding the part on fully. If you are installing the body mount on the driver's side, you will need to weld on the included body mount tab. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Reinstall your body mount bolt and bushing. Then you're done!